long division here. The reason why we have to do long division instead of synthetic division is because if you look at the denominator, we have a leading coefficient that's greater than 1. So we're going to set that up with a 2x plus 3 on the outside of the division box. And on the inside, we want to be careful. We want to make sure that we represent each term. So we've got 4x cubed plus 2x squared. There is no x term, so we have to represent that with a 0x and then minus 8. Okay, what we're looking to do is figure out 2x times what will give us 4x cubed. So 2x times 2x squared will give us 4x cubed. And then we take that 2x squared and we distribute it to everything on the outside. So 2x squared times 2x is 4x cubed. And 2x squared times 3x is 6x squared. We're going to subtract each of those, just like we do with long division, and what's going to happen is every time the first term will cancel out. That's the idea of why we chose to do that number up top. And then don't forget to negate the second term, so 2x squared minus 6x squared is 4x squared. And then we bring the next term down. And our next step is to figure out, we need negative 4x squared. And our next step is to figure out 2x times what will give us negative 4x squared. So that'll be a negative 2x. And we're going to distribute that negative 2x to everything on the outside again. So negative 2x times 2x is negative 4x squared. We wanted those terms to match. And then negative 2x times 3 is negative 6x. Again, we're going to subtract. So every time the first term will cancel out. The second term I'm going to be subtracting a negative, which means it's going to turn into a positive 6x. And then I bring down the last term, minus 8, and I just continue with this pattern until I have no terms left. All right, 2x times 3 is what will give me 6x. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. And again, I'll subtract to cancel out the first term, and subtract again, which gives me negative 17, which means I have a remainder of negative 17. Okay? With the remainder, what I know this means is 2x plus 3 is not a factor of the original expression because of the remainder. And what I really need to do is I need to rewrite this as 2x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 17 over 2x plus 3. Okay, rewrite it as a fraction of what you were dividing by.